Okay, I shot a separate video for this because it's very important that we do this. We need to be testing in batches. 5 is a magic number. This is from experience and training thousands of people over the past several years that a lot of people, when they get to a test phase, no matter what style of test they're using, they do one and then doesn't work and then they quit. And I'm like, what the heck did you just do? No, 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 no. Wrong. You have to test more than one thing to see if it works. In fact, you're going to do batches of 5, but you're going to do more than one batches. So I need you to get that through your head right now that it's not I did one, it didn't work, nothing works. It's I did several. I found a winner. Now I'm moving on to the next step. That's what you have to do, okay? So test in batches, 5's the magic number. Why 5? Because that's what I set it at. Repeat the previous 4 steps, okay? You need to do the following. You have to have 5 products uploaded to Shineon, 5 shipping rates, set them all. Don't forget that. Don't ever forget shipping rates. 5 1200 by 1650 images, okay? Those are your mock-up images that you have to have for your dark posts. Speaking of dark posts, you need 5 of those. These are your ads, okay? We have to have those ready in order to even start the test phase. So you can see we're pretty deep into this course now, and we haven't really done much with Facebook ads yet, because do you see how much setup there is involved before that? When we look at stuff online, especially Facebook ad stuff, we think, oh, it's easy. I just set up an ad and sell stuff. Not quite. You've been through all the preparation and all the work to get to this point. Now it's time to test these suckers and find the winner. And a winner is one that got a sale. That's how we're going to do it, okay? Go do this now. Before we get into the test campaign, you need 5, all right? If you have 1, don't do the test campaign. I want you to have 5. 5, 5, 5. And this is just your first batch of 5. Once you do this batch, you do another batch, and then another batch, and then another batch. And you keep doing them until you find winners. And once you find your winners, those are the ones you go after. Because remember, we have limited time, energy, and budget. So we're going to focus that on the good stuff. We're not going to bother with stuff that's not selling. And the only way to find out, test it.